Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna work on this pair of earrings. In the last couple of tutorials we were working on Dora set. It all started with a very simple pair of bracelets. They were just really easy to make. Quite trendy design, I suppose, very simple loops. And I was trying to make matching choker, but ended up making this necklace, so I think it goes above and beyond that first initial design when you add this rondelles and pearls, because it looks so pretty. So while I was doing this, I came up with a pair of earrings, so this is what we're gonna work on today. It's a really pretty pair. They look really gorgeous when you wear them, like really dressy with these colors. But today I'm gonna make a matching for this one, so it's not as dressy but more like everyday, or depends on what you're wearing. Well, this one, well, it just speaks for itself. So for the materials you will need 2 8mm pearls. I used one here, so one here. Then you'll need 2 6x8 rondelles. I here used one. Here's the second one, and well, this is the color I'm using. And then you'll need some check 8/0s, or you can use any 8/0s, but for 11/0s I'm using some Tohos, and here's the code if you need it. I just realized I used a different shade of blue than on the necklace, but doesn't really matter much, almost the same. This is like a milky blue. And you'll need a stop bead to start off. Then you'll need these earring bags. I don't know how you call them. I think they call them cup, bowl, stud earring bags or something like that. And 2 bags. Then you'll need your Nymo size D. You can use any other beading thread you have. Then you'll need beading needle size 10. You can use any other size. Here 10 looks perfectly. You can use smaller sizes if you don't have 10. Then you'll need scissors to cut your thread. And you'll need some glue to glue the earring bags. So I'm gonna thread my needle with a slightly less than a yard. Yard is too much, so I take about slightly less than that. I don't measure particularly. I just, stretch my arm and that's my measure. So I'm gonna thread my needle and then we'll get to work. So we're gonna start with the top and finish at the bottom. So I'm gonna take my stop bead, leave a short tail of about 6 inch just to sew it in later. That's all you need it for. And take my needle through the stop bead one more time. Then I'm gonna take my pearl, drop it down. Then I'm just gonna move it all aside. And I'm gonna pick up 2 11/0s, 1 8/0, 1 11/0, 1 8/0, 2 11/0s. This is the sequence you want to pick up. 2 11/0s, 1 8/0, 1 11/0, 1 8/0, 2 11/0s. And then I'm gonna drop it down to my pearl and take my needle through the pearl, through the other side. And bring it back around. So this is what you have. And then I'm gonna pick up same sequence. 2 11/0s, 1 8/0, 1 11/0, 1 8/0, 2 11/0s. And then take it through the pearl, through the other side. And this is what you have. And then I'm just gonna take it around one side, doesn't matter which side. You can pull both sides tightly so your work is nice and tight. So I'm coming out of the 11 here near the exit. I'm gonna pick up 2 8/0s and then go through the next 11. Just don't worry about that. Just pull your needle on, pull your thread on both sides, and it will eventually come into a circle. And then I'm gonna come out through this 11 here. Just go through the beads. Don't worry that it's loose right now. It will get nice and tight and strong later on. And then here, again, I'm gonna pick up 2 11/0s, 2 8/0s, and then go through the next 11. And that's it. That's the circle that goes around the pearl. And now I'm just gonna go reinforce and come out of this 3 on this side, just going around. You can reinforce it more if you want, just go around one more time if you need be. So here on this, well, you know, I'm gonna go around again, come out this side, just to make it stronger. So you want to make sure you're coming out on either side through the 8-0. So you have 8-0, 11-0, 8-0 behind. And then pick up 3 8-0s and add bell ladder stitch on top of this. Come around this 3 beads. And then reinforce. So just go through this 3 beads you added. Back around this 3 beads. Pull your needle nice and tight. Go to the top 3. And then pick up 2 11-0s, 3 8-0s, 2 11-0s, 3 8-0s, 2 11-0s, 3 8-0s, 2 11-0s. This is the sequence. 2 11-0s, 3 8-0s, 2 11-0s, 3 8-0s, 2 11-0s, 3 8-0s, 2 11-0s. Then drop it down and come around this 3. And then reinforce this circle. Just go through all those beads you just added one more time. And make sure to pull your thread nice and tight so the unit is nice and strong. So you have your second unit ready. Now we just add the third unit with the rondelle. So I have to come out of this 3 at the top. And then here I'm gonna pick up 3 8-0s and add bell ladder stitch. And make sure to reinforce. And now come out of the top 3, pick up 2 11-0s, 3 8-0s, 2 11-0s, drop it down, pick up your rondelle, 2 11-0s, 3 8-0s, 2 11-0s, drop it down, and this is the sequence you have. And then you just go around those 3 beads one more time. And that's basically it. All 3 units in place. All you have to do now, reinforce the bottom unit, get rid of your tail, get rid of this tail, and then I'm gonna show you how to attach the backs. So I got rid of the tails, and now all I have to do is just glue the backs. So I'm using this jewelry glue, no idea how you pronounce that, but you can use any glue you have, really, E6000 or whatever. And you want to take a really tiny amount, because once you put it on the pearl, that glue spreads out. So I'm just gonna zoom in, so I'm just gonna center it right in the middle. And that's it. That's all it is. And then I just have to let it dry. I'm gonna leave it for a couple hours at least before I show you again, because I don't want to be redoing this. Just really teeny tiny amount. I don't know if you can even see it, because once you put it on a round bead, the glue spreads out, and you don't want that glue to come out on the sides as well, because it won't look nice. And smack down right in the middle. That's it. I'll see you in a couple hours, guys. And that's it, guys. That's how you make the earrings. Now, it hasn't been that long, so I'll just be careful while handling this. Look, it's very pretty. Goes really well with the necklace. I tried this one on and it looks really pretty. One thing I wanted to mention, when you are done with this, if you move around the pearl, you see it moves around. And initially I thought, you know, to glue the top to the top of the pearl so it just stays like that. But then I tried it on and when you actually wear it, it just stays straight. So there is no need to glue the top as well. So look how pretty they are. I'm just loving this green. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to check out my other tutorials. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so yet, because I'm releasing tutorials every Friday. Now we are in the middle of moving houses, and once I'm in a new place, I think I will start doing more of a vlog videos where I will be showing you around my studio. Well, first of all, we'll have to set it up because it's just blank canvas, and then, you know, I will need some ideas from you how to set it up, because I think the room I'm choosing for my studio will also have like sloped roofs, so that's gonna be a bit difficult to decide what kind of shelving units to put there. So make sure to subscribe and follow my progress, guys. Bye bye.